We are at the 3rd annual Videostroboscopy and Flexible Endoscopic Evaluation of Swallowing Conference, or Strobe FEES Conference, here at the Institute for Voice and Hearing Innovation. It's a combination of not only sit and listen and learn, but hands-on interaction.
This conference has been a great learning opportunity. I've learned how to pass flexible scopes on not only mannequins, but also real graduate student volunteers. So it's been really nice to do it on an actual person to then kind of gauge how the anatomy changes with each individual person.
I just finished my 3rd year of medical school. I think that now that I've had my experience doing my first few scopes with a real patient, that will be a great experience to bring into my 4th year as I do a sub-internship at USF and other institutions.
IVHI is just a unique space. There's no place like it in the world. And so we have the opportunity for learners to come here in our space, learn with us in this very unique setting. People have the experience of understanding what a clinic looks like, how these scopes are processed, what our instrumentation looks like.
This brand new space is perfect for this kind of conference.